Wow! Activity! Palakpakan mo, guys! Ayan! Ito sila mag-stretch. Sabay. Welcome po sa Fun Walk Activity! Ayan! Excited na ba kayo sa ating Fun Walk Activity?
At ayan, good morning po sa mga ating brothers and sisters. Ngayong umaga po ay Sabado. Ang oras po ay 4:50 in the morning. Bali ngayong araw ay tutungo po kami sa Capsule CSU at doon ay nagsasagawa kami ng aktibidad na Fun Walk. Sunday po ngayon ay August 1 mula po sa distrito ng Martires, Cavite sa lokal ng Alulod. Bali simula dito sa amin dahil malapit lang naman yung pinaka-venue ay lalakarin na lang namin simula dito hanggang doon. At ayan, samahan nyo kami sabay-bayan hanggang matapos ang video na to. Okay, let's go! And time check. Oras ay 5:12. At sisimula na kami maglakad. Papunta na kami ng Capsule. Ito po yung main campus ng CBSU dito sa Indak. Medyo malapit lang naman sa amin kaya sakto yan. Hindi naman mukhang uulan kaya lalakarin na lang namin. At ayan, kalalampas lang namin sa tulay ng Kaitapos. Medyo madilim pa rin. Alas 6 kasi yung start, sabi. Pero aagahan na namin yung punta doon para at least makakapag-jogging pa kami. Kasi maganda doon sa may loob ng Capsule, sa may oval. Sarap mag-jogging doon, lalo pag ganitong oras. Kaya yun muna yung plano namin. Habang nagdadatingan pa lang yung tao, nag-iikot-ikot muna kami doon. Kaya yan, samahan nyo kami ni Mads. Si Mads. Let's go! Ayan, medyo malapit na kami dahil wala pa kaming almusal. Titingin kami dito ng makakain. Mads, saan tayo dadaan? Ayan, parang wala pang tao-tao. Dito na lang tayo sa main gate. Ang plano namin, kaya nagahan namin, magja-jogging muna kami para at least may warm up. Sa bagay, ano naman ito fun walk. Naisipan lang namin mag-jogging na rin. Sasabay na namin. Gawa na matagal-tagal na rin kami hindi nakakapag-jogging. Ayun, dito na kami dadaan sa may main. Ayan, dito na kami. Pasok na kami ng oval. Ayan, wala pang masyadong tao. Siguro lalabas muna kami doon. Bibili na kami ng pagkain. Wala pa kami almusal Dahil wala pa naman masyadong tao. Punta muna kami ng 7-Eleven at nakapag-almusal muna doon. Pagbalik namin, bago na lang kami mag-jogging. Maaga pa naman. Ayan. Labas uli muna kami. Okay, time check 6:06. Tapos lang namin mag-almusal. Good morning. Good mornings again. Time check. Ayan. Pag alas 7 na. Oh, 6:30. Ha? Mats, let's go. Jogging muna tayo.
You're feeling alive. Tell me how to show you it's a beautiful life. I'll do anything to pull you into the light, 'cause everything will change when you open your eyes. Yeah. So don't you let the sunlight go by without you. Don't you realize how lucky we are? Open up your heart, baby, let it all go tonight. Live your life like you was running out with a light. We gotta scream it out. Breathe it in and feel the rush again. You're not lost, no matter where you've been. You've been trying hard just to make it alone, but I can help you, baby, let me carry the load. I'll do anything to make you see what it's like, 'cause everything is different when you open your eyes.
Lokal lang!
Eyes, how lucky we are. Open up your heart, baby, let it all go tonight. Live your life like you was running out with a light. We gotta scream it out. We gotta breathe it in and feel the rush again. You're not lost, no matter where you've been. All your life you've been chasing a ghost. You gotta change your mind if you're gonna let go. No matter how you feel, nothing's holding you up. Nobody holding you back from the life that you want. All your life you've been chasing a ghost. You gotta change your mind if you're gonna let go. No matter how you feel, nothing's holding you up. Nobody holding you back from the life that you want.